That's the house that we'll be seeing, getting in, and they can even take dogs for this apartment. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? There's dogs around.
Yeah, you're hungry, aren't you?
There's Helen. This is our dining area. Anything else happen there? This is Elma.
You haven't heard from anybody?
And Elma's dog.
So did you ring this just on a normal...
I even had to get
This is
Norman
the
to
backyard.
put this in his case.
There you go. This is the backyard. Let me show it to you. Shade, where are you, Shade? Let's move back to the bedroom right now.
Have you had your dinner? Alright.
There comes with a washing machine. It's too dark. There's a washroom there.